Greetings and salutations, huge and lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. We explore weird and forgotten drinks and other late niceties. I'm your host, Corey. Today we are going to dive into this book called Bottoms Up. I came across this book through a friend by accident. I posted one of my vintage cocktails, and then she replied something about she had this pinup cocktail book, and I'm like, pinup cocktail book? She called it Bottoms Up. So I went digging around eBay and found a copy. And yes, there's got a lot of I don't know if I can show that on. It has a lot of like pinup style pictures. I may have to blur some of this out. But it also has Bible verses in it, so it's quite a what do you call it? Very ironic. So we're going to do a cocktail on here called the Golden Dawn. They have a couple of them, but this one, they call it Golden Dawn L'aube Dorée. It's French. My French is bad. It was the winner of the first place prize of International Cocktail Competition in London in 1930. So if it's a winner, maybe it's a winner for us. And as always, I'm not a bartender. We're just having some fun trying out some of these old cocktails. So don't take any of this stuff as bartending advice. With that being said, let's make a cocktail. All right. Dropping stuff on the floor. So this is straight up just equal parts of everything. And we'll run down the ingredient list here. It's very similar, kind of similar to a cocktail we did recently, the Pink Elephant's Paradise cocktail-ish. It's got apricot brandy and gin, and it's using orange juice instead of lemon juice. But it's also got Calvados. What's part of my confusion of these old drinks is learning the difference between Calvados and Applejack. Well, this one had Calvados and in parentheses Applejack, so I guess it means you can substitute either one. Anyway, let's build this drink. So we're going to do quarter ounce of everything. Start with a quarter ounce of gin. Quarter ounce of apricot brandy. Quarter ounce of Calvados or Applejack. Quarter ounce of orange juice. Now it's shaking time. All right. Get my hair in the way. All right, let's see what we got here. So it said to put a splash of grenadine in it to give that Golden Dawn look. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a tequila sunrise or something, but we'll just it's got a little bit of a Golden Dawn in there. With that being said, let's give it a shot. And for once, the gin isn't that strong. I mean, nothing really stands out. So maybe that's a perfect blend. I don't know. I think I would double up the recipe next time just to give it a better chance. In the meantime, I'm gonna finish this off. Make sure that's right set up. Y'all know what to do. Cheers.